Today I am reviewing the Sony ULT Field 3 wireless portable Bluetooth speaker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful portable Bluetooth speaker that can deliver incredible sound while keeping up with your active lifestyle, the Sony ULT Field 3 is ready to impress. Designed with durability, clarity, and performance in mind, this speaker embodies everything Sony does best: clean audio engineering, reliable battery life, and a rugged design that can handle any adventure. Whether you're at home, at the beach, or deep in the outdoors, the ULT Field 3 brings your music to life with clarity and punch that few speakers in its class can match. Right out of the box, the design of the Sony ULT Field 3 makes a strong impression. It feels solid but not heavy, compact yet powerful. Its minimalist look carries Sony's signature style: sleek lines, sturdy materials, and a premium finish that feels built to last. The grab-and-go design makes it easy to handle, and the included shoulder strap adds a layer of convenience that's often overlooked in portable speakers. Whether you're walking through the park, heading to a picnic, or packing for a trip, the ULT Field 3 is truly designed for people who want to take great sound everywhere. The strap can be adjusted for comfort and even stowed away when not in use, showing that Sony really thought about how people move and use their devices. When it comes to sound quality, this speaker stands out from the crowd. Sony has equipped the ULT Field 3 with a two-way active design, featuring a dedicated woofer for low frequencies and a tweeter for crisp highs. The result is rich, full-spectrum sound that feels balanced and natural. Then there's the star of the show, the ULT button. Pressing it activates Sony's enhanced bass mode, immediately deepening the sound and giving your music that extra power and thump. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy tracks, hip-hop, or EDM, that one button transforms your listening experience into something immersive and energetic. The ULT Field 3 isn't just about loudness. It's about depth, precision, and quality, the kind of sound that keeps you nodding along no matter where you are. Of course, not everyone listens to music the same way. That's why Sony includes a 7-band equalizer, giving you total control over your audio. You can fine-tune the sound through the Sony Music Center app, boosting mids, brightening highs, or adding even more bass, depending on your mood or genre. This kind of customization is rare in portable speakers, and it's one of the reasons the ULT Field 3 feels so premium and personal. You get studio-level control in a portable form factor, and that's something truly special. Durability is another area where this speaker excels. With a full IP67 rating, the ULT Field 3 is waterproof, dustproof, rustproof, and shockproof. That means it's not afraid of rain, splashes, sand, or even the occasional drop. You can take it to the pool, on a hike, or to a beach party without worry. Sony has built this speaker for real-world conditions, where life happens, spills happen, and weather can change in an instant. The rugged build ensures your music keeps playing through all. You can literally rinse it off after a beach day and keep the party going. Then there's the battery life, which is nothing short of impressive. The Sony ULT Field 3 delivers up to 24 hours of playback on a single charge, giving you an entire day and night of music. You don't have to worry about constantly charging it or running out of juice during long trips. And if you do find yourself running low, Sony's quick charging feature comes in handy. A short 10-minute charge gives you up to 2 hours of playback, which is perfect for last-minute plans or outdoor sessions. It's convenience and power all rolled into one. The ULT Field 3 also shines when it comes to connectivity and smart features. With Bluetooth 5.3, it ensures stable, fast, and energy-efficient connections to your devices. You can also use Party Connect to link multiple Sony speakers together for synchronized sound. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or a big gathering, this feature turns your setup into a full-fledged sound system, filling every corner with rich, room-filling audio. And for communication, the built-in microphone delivers exceptional call clarity, using Sony's noise reduction technology to isolate your voice and minimize background noise. So, even if you're outside or in a noisy environment, your calls sound clear and professional. Another detail worth appreciating is the overall usability. The LED indicators for battery and connection, the responsive buttons, and the compact shape make it easy to control. It's designed to be intuitive. You can use it without constantly reaching for your phone. This kind of thoughtful engineering is what makes the ULT Field 3 feel like a true Sony product. Reliable, smart, and built with the user experience at the center. All in all, the Sony ULT Field 3 wireless portable Bluetooth speaker is more than just a speaker. It's a complete sound companion. It's perfect for music lovers, travelers, and adventurers who don't want to compromise on sound quality or durability. You get powerful bass with the press of a button, clear mids and highs, incredible 24-hour battery life, and rugged construction that can handle almost anything. Add the ability to customize your sound with the 7-band equalizer, and you have a portable powerhouse that delivers premium audio anywhere you go. In simple words, if you want studio-quality sound wrapped in outdoorsy toughness, the Sony ULT Field 3 is the one to get. It's powerful, portable, beautifully designed, and tuned for every environment. Whether it's your daily companion or your travel buddy, this speaker proves that great sound doesn't have to stay indoors. Sony has once again raised the bar for what a Bluetooth speaker can be, and the ULT Field 3 is the ultimate proof of that.